my channel. So today we'll be talking about Louis Vuitton Pochette Kirigami. This is such a hot item, you guys. This is a set of 3 little pochettes. Each pochette has a different size, and I did an unboxing a couple of videos ago, so you might go and check it out. I'll try to link it down below. It was very difficult to find. I believe it's still sold out online, but I really didn't check today. But you might go and check it out. I know it's hard to get on the stores at the same time, so if you have a good essay, you might want to try to, go after this item if you really want it. But today I wanted just to give you a little, like a first kind of impression, because obviously I don't have that long to give you like a full review or, tell you if it's worth it or not. I bought it because I love it and I thought I can always have, use out of this. Plus you're getting 3 items. Yes, it is a pricey item. It's $660 here in the United States, obviously plus tax and all that jazz. But I really wanted it, so I'm happy that I got it. So today I just wanted to kind of show you what can fit in, because I got so many questions from you guys, and also just to give you my kind of first impressions. So yeah, so let's get started. So I'm gonna start with the little one. What I love about them, you guys, is that they have a different colors inside. So obviously it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Okay, and this one, the little one, has a little, as you can see, this is like a burgundy kind of interior. Really cute. All of the pochettes has a pretty wide mouth opening. I would say the little one is the stiffest one out of the 3. And, obviously it's tiny. Let me give you measurements. Let's see. Let me close this up so you guys can see a little better. I'm just gonna show you right there. So it is about almost 4 inches, right? And then this way it will be about 3 inches. So it's tiny, but it is enough to put credit cards. This was my first thought. Then when I got it, I just said to myself, this is what I'm gonna use for credit cards, right? So I have a set of 6 credit cards in here, reality cards or something, but these are the thickness of the credit cards. So as I tried, the 6 will fit very easily inside in here. As you guys can see, yes, I can put a little bit more, but then you're gonna have a hard time to really taking one at a time. So if you do not want to struggle, probably 6 credit cards, maybe 7 will be max. That you can put in here. And obviously I think it's very nice and slim. It's small. If this is all you need, it's like perfect for little handbags, because I believe this is slightly smaller than a typical like a coin purse or the credit card case, and of course has this kind of envelope style opening and closure. I think it's really cute. So if you do not want to carry credit cards, let's say you have some hair accessories, so you can put a little clips in here. It will fit perfect. I have another one. And then maybe, let's see, if you have some hair ties, you can squish all in here. There we go. Because they're very soft. So everything will fit in very nicely. So this is just another way of doing it. What else you might put in here is, I have like necklace, a hand bundle necklace. You can store your precious jewelry. Let's say maybe you travel and you don't want to, especially if I take an airplane, I usually take my jewelry off. This would be a great way just to put it in here, see? So you can kind of use it as your little jewelry holder. So I think it's very versatile piece, you guys. You can really use in so many ways. Here I can put my like a bangle, and it will still fit in. You guys see it? I know it's getting almost to the tip, but I can still fold it nicely. I have also one from Swarovski. Let's see if I can fit it in. Yeah, it does fit it in. So even if you have some bangles, look at this. It will fit in beautifully. So it's perfect to keep your jewelry, when you travel. Also, I use the Louis Vuitton round coin purse to keep my bangles and the jewelry. It's really great. So both of them will do a great job. Yeah, it's a little tiny pochette and just you can use for so many little things. Okay, let's talk about the medium size. So this is the medium size and has a beautiful red interior. Again, it's stamped Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And as you can see, the mouth opening is pretty large, right? So, and it seems like this one is, maybe just my impression, but I feel like these are a little bit softer, but maybe it's just me. But I love the blue, the red. It's just so beautiful. It just makes me happy when I look at this. It's just like a pop of nice color. And notice, you guys, that because the way they are folded, you see always a little bit color like going through on the edges here. See this? So you can see a little bit of the red, and the burgundy, it's probably harder to see, but there is also a burgundy popping through. So yeah, I just think it's really, really cute. So this one is the medium size. Let me give you the measurements very quickly. Let's see, how wide is this? Let's go maybe from this side, it will be easier. So it is about 6, if I'm saying it right, about 6 inches by, let's see, about 4.5. Okay, if I stretch it, it will be almost 5. There we go. So my first thought, it would be if someone travels a lot, what you can do, you guys, is to put your passport right in here, and it fits perfectly. If you have family, I have a family of 4, right? So it's 2, me and my husband and 2 children. 4 passports, our passports will just fit in here perfectly. See this? So we can just, you know, whatever we travel, I can just use this to hold our travel documents. Obviously, the credit cards will fit in if you wish to, right? I'm gonna put all the 6 that I had in the other pochette. There we go. Goes right in. What else can we fit in here? Obviously, the jewelry will fit too as well. There we go. I think it's perfect for travel because, like I said, it's just, you can put those passports in here and you don't have to worry about, again, see like how easy it will fit in. You don't have, because it's slightly smaller, you don't have to worry about, you know, losing your documents. So also, if you have, is this 6? Maybe it's 6S. Gosh, I don't even know. iPhone 6, I think it's 6S. It will fit here as well. I don't think the Plus will fit in. As you can see, it takes the whole, you know, entire space. But there's still some space in here. You can put something. But this takes entire length of the pochette. So I would not really keep the iPhone in here. I mean, there's no point. But let's say maybe you want to take a little compact with you. This is the pretty bulky. This is the MAC powder. See, right here. And then maybe you want to use, let's say, another bulky item. This is the NARS. Let's see if this will fit. Yes, it will. Okay. Maybe a lip gloss. And what else? I have, this is the Dior. This is also very bulky packaging. The Dior will probably not fit. That's too much. But see, at least one huge lip gloss did fit in. There we go. So I can close it up. It's not stretching or anything. It's really good. What else you can keep in here? Again, you can put the, you know, maybe jewelry. Maybe you travel, see a little bit, you know, bigger space for your jewelry. And then I'm gonna put this. You can put all your hair accessories. What else can we put in here? Maybe some face cream, or let's see. Will this fit in? I have a little. What is it? Hand sanitizer. I'm not sure if this will fit in with my watch, but you know, I'm just trying to show you guys what can really realistically fit in. Yeah, it did. Look at this. This is pretty amazing. Everything is in here, including my watch and hand sanitizer. So this is, like I said, because it's soft, it's very kind of pliable. You can fit a lot of stuff in here. And you know, as you can see, I have quite a few items that I just put in here. So yeah, I think it's, you know, you can just use it for maybe receipts. That would be another great idea. Or what about feminine products? Look at this. See? Perfect. And then if you're at work, hey, I'm just gonna go to the restroom very quickly, and you take this and you go. So yeah, I mean, the tampons will fit in. I think they will. I don't have any on hand right now, but you know, this is like a regular standard pad. See, it will fit in perfectly, so you can just put a bunch of them in here if you need to, and just go. Okay, let's talk about the largest one. So let's take some measurements first. This one is, let's go from this side again. This one is about 9 inches. Do I see it right? Yeah, it's about 9 inches by 6. Is it 6? 6.5. Pretty much 6.5. So it's pretty large. And this one is obviously, you know, has a lot of space. Again, this one feels the softest one. My lipsticks are falling. And this particular one has a pink, like a ballerina, is that what I call them? Ballerina pink kind of interior. Again, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Okay, so what I wanted mainly to use this one for is for my mini iPad. So I have this, this is the iPad 3. It doesn't matter, they're the same size. And I have this in kind of ugly, I'm sorry, this is kind of like a bulky, you know, case, pretty, you know, stiff in here. I didn't think it was gonna fit in here, but I was very nicely surprised. Look at this, you guys. Fits perfectly. So obviously if you don't have any cover on your mini iPad, it will fit even nicer. And obviously I can snap and it's beautiful. See? Nothing is stretching. There's still room, you guys. I can still look, if I put the mini iPad and let's say I'll put the passport in here. There we go. See, there's still room. So some of the flat, you know, I can still put some credit cards in here. There is a room to put some, you know, flat items, obviously. But the mini iPad will take pretty much the entire length of this pochette. So yeah, this is what I really wanted, because originally I wanted to use to buy iPad cover, Louis Vuitton mini iPad cover, but my husband just thought it was not a good idea. But I thought I can use this for my iPad when I go to work, because I always take it with me. So anyway, if I can fit iPad, you can fit anything else you wish. I don't know what to tell you. I mean, anything will go, you guys, because this is the biggest one. You can even put your, you know, Koi in here, and your iPhone. You can use this as a little clutch. You can put your credit cards in here, right? Maybe your cream, or what else? Lipstick. Look at this, and there's still room. So you can definitely use this as a little clutch. Okay, or you can put it inside your Neverfull and any of your bigger bags that you have, and there's just so many use that you can. Yeah, I mean, it's amazing. I love this stuff, you guys. So of course, as I'm using it more, I will probably get some more ideas of what to put in here, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys, you know, what realistically can fit in those, because I know there's so many questions as far as these goes. But yeah, what do you guys think? Is it worth $660? I hope so, because I'm not gonna return it. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. And thank you so much for all your lovely comments and all your thumbs up. If you enjoyed the video, yeah, give it a thumbs up, don't forget. And yeah, leave me a comment below. What do you think? What do you guys think about this? I'm very happy. So, alright, I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.